And here's how to use Control Center on iPhone. To open your Control Center, swipe to the bottom from top right corner. And here we can see Control Center. And now we can see I have total 4 pages in my Control Center. Now to edit your Control Center, long press on an empty space. And here we can see my Control Center. Now I can easily edit my Control Center. To remove any action from your Control Center, tap on this minus icon, and that's how you will be able to remove any actions. To add a new action, tap on Add a Control, and here you will find lots of controls. You can add any of them, or you can use the search controls box to find out a specific control. Now tap on the control, and the control will be added here. Now to resize any control, all you have to need, tap on this little icon, and that's how you will be able to resize a control. Once you are happy, tap outside of the control and the editing panel will be disabled. Okay, now to remove any page from your Control Center, do the same thing, long press on empty space. And to remove any page, go to the page, and you have to remove all actions from the page, and the page will be removed. So here, as you can see, I've deleted all pages. Now only one page is showing in my Control Center. So that's how we can actually edit our Control Center in iPhone. Thanks for watching.